One of the most impressive rallies I've seen so far is Cardano. Cardano has come back from its, its low of in the 20-cent range area. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Could we see it potentially test its all-time high? Let's jump into it in the video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me on X, wherever you're watching, and let's get into it here. So ADA whales are buying right now, and can Cardano soar 165% to test that all-time high? So this is the 5th week of consecutive gains for the first time this year. The ongoing crypto bull run and whale accumulation is basically attributing to the price increases that we are seeing with Cardano Cardano ADA. Jeez, man, I had a little brain fart there. But 165% up, it could retest its all-time high at $3.10, reaching a high of $1.32 would be its highest level since January 2022, and we did see that at its high in the past few weeks. The coin jumped over 450% from its lowest level in 2023. So a sharp increase in whale accumulation obviously has been happening here. A number of whales have been getting in to just, to try and prepare for the bull market kind of thing. These whales have bought Cardano tokens worth $276 million. Whales have bought 100 million ADA tokens in the last 24 hours. That is a ton. And obviously, smart money's moving in and they are gearing up for something big. So there's also more purchases happening by retail investors. And we're seeing the number of ADA holders, it has jumped to over 3.5 million. So that's a ton of wallet addresses. We could potentially see a slight pullback before it continues its uptrend. And the reason for that being is, prices can't just go vertical the whole time and go up and up and up and up and up. We always have to have some kind of a pullback. And in reality, that establishes support lines, right? So we don't want things to go all the way, like people say, to the moon, right? You go to the moon, it's like it crashes just as darn hard, right? We don't want that. We want it to gradually go. We want it to go up. We want it to consolidate a bit or come back down, retrace, that kind of thing, and then continue its journey. So the weekly chart is showing a bit of resistance at that $1.32 level, and this coincides with the 38.2 retracement level. And also seems to be forming a standard doji candlestick pattern. So this happens when the asset closes and opens at the same price. So you get that really, really, really tiny body of a candle with these big long wicks on either end. That's basically what that is. So we could see it retest the psychological $1 level before we resume an uptrend, but it's obviously we'll have to wait and see what happens here. The RSI though is in the extreme overbought zone at 85, and anything in that territory is just, we could either see it still move up, or we could be at the point where we will have like a bit of a pullback. So the initial rebound to the 50% retracement level at $1.66 could see if that happens. So the 165% rally to its all-time high could happen after that. Obviously, it'd be really nice to see it retest its all-time high. That is a little bit away, but really, when this thing has already moved, like I said, let's jump over here for a sec. In the last month, 240%. Is it really that out of the way for Cardano to jump up and test its all-time high? I really don't think so. I don't think it's that far-fetched. I think that could be a lot sooner than we think, and this thing could actually run fairly quickly. I mean, you think about it, 240% in the last month. What's another 165%? I mean, really, it's very possible. Is it going to happen? Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. We have to wait and see if this bull run continues. I'm anticipating that we are, just getting started, honestly. I know Bitcoin has smashed the 100K mark, and we saw it come down as well, but it's starting to cycle back into altcoins. It is altcoin season, according to the altcoin chart. So, obviously we'll have to wait and see what happens here, but it's really nice to see Cardano having a comeback, and a lot of these, what people call dinosaur coins, are also running along with it. And you know what? Don't count any of these cryptos out. Even if they were, past mega performers in the last bull run, doesn't mean they're dead, doesn't mean they're going anywhere. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just want to thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.